Making eggs in your microwave might be something you've never considered before, but actually a lot of people do it. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make your eggs in your microwave today. What is up, you guys? It is Karli here, and you're officially cooking with Karli. And today we're talking microwave eggs. I know, but these are actually perfect for so many different occasions. Like if you're living the RV life this summer and all you have is a microwave, no stovetop, perfect. Or in the college dorm room, or like my 5-year-old can make yourself some eggs now because all you need is the microwave. If you can crack an egg, you can make these eggs in your microwave. I've done quite a bit of experimenting here, and I'm excited to share with you 3 different ways to make your eggs. We're going to do an egg sandwich, we're going to do an egg omelet, and an egg bowl with potatoes and peppers and onions and cheese and bacon and all of the good stuff. Let's start out with this breakfast bowl. In this bowl, I've got some frozen hash browns. I just eyeballed about 1/2 cup, 3/4 cup, and some bacon bits. I got these at Sam's Club. They're just the real bacon bits. Just going to put in, the measurements here does not really matter, which is perfect. I've got some onion I'll throw in, it's just diced, and some diced bell pepper, cheese. We'll season it with a little salt and pepper. And then last thing that needs to happen is an egg. It needs to be cracked over top, and we'll scramble it together with a fork. Grabbing a fork, and we're just going to stir this together. If you want to make this with 2 eggs, you totally can. You may just need a little extra time in the microwave. Best part about the microwave is that it doesn't take very long, and it's so easy to check and add a little extra time if needed. For the breakfast bowl, we're going to microwave for 1 minute. Give everything a quick stir, and then do about 30 seconds to a minute longer, depending on what it's looking like. Let's toss this into my microwave. While that's in the microwave, do me a favor, hit the like button on this video if you love yourself some scrambled eggs, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below and let me know your favorite kind of eggs. Do it. We're at our 1 minute mark here. I'm going to give everything a quick stir, and we'll microwave it for another minute. 1 more minute. Let's go. All right, here's what it's looking like after the minute. I think it needs another 30 seconds. Come and take a look. You can see all along the edge is cooked and nice and fluffy, but the inside is still a little bit gooey. So I'm gonna toss it in for 30 more seconds, and that should do the trick. I just gave it a quick stir just to distribute the uncooked egg. That way it'll cook evenly. Last time. It's done. You're ready to eat breakfast in like 2.5 minutes. And it is healthy, it's filling, it is delicious, and like, I don't know, you just can't beat this. The peppers and onions are tender, they're not crunchy at all, and the potatoes are nice and soft and not mushy. This really is like a life-changing hack, I'm gonna say. Trying to get a good piece of everything. Oh, hot. The bacon is so good. Like those, it's like the real bacon bits. It's so good. Whoever invented those, I should give a hug to. Now we're going to make a breakfast sandwich. You know, like English muffin. We've got the eggs and bacon, maybe even a little sausage on there, some cheese. So good. Your eggs are going to be done before your English muffin is even done toasting. That's how fast it is. We're going to use a mug for our eggs. Let's just spray the mug with, there's butter all over this. We're going to spray the mug with a little nonstick spray. Crack our egg right into the mug. Grab a fork, just whisk it up nicely. Season with a little salt and pepper. You can also add in, onions, peppers, things to this if you'd like. And this gets tossed into the microwave for 1 minute. If you want to do more than one egg, it will take a bit longer than that. You'll probably need to check it in a minute and then toss it back in for another 30 seconds or so. This one egg, though, is going in for 1 minute. Do I say the word egg weird? I feel like I do. Is it like, do people say egg? Like eh? But I say egg? Egg? I don't know. How do you say egg? Egg? Maybe it's just because I've said it so many times in this video that I'm like second guessing how I say the word egg. Okay, look at this magic. The egg has puffed up. It's all nice and cooked. And because we used that nonstick spray, it will just slip right out of the cup for us. And like I said, I'm still waiting for the English muffin to toast, but I have some bacon cooked. I'm gonna grab a slice of cheese so we can assemble the sandwich as soon as the English muffin is done toasting. I hit the English muffin with a little bit of butter. Now let's get our eggs out, and like I said, it will just slip on out.
Okay, ready?
Oh, ready? I like to just break up the egg just a little bit, just so it covers up the whole English muffin. And then we'll add on bacon. This is just microwave bacon because, again, bacon is the bee's knees. And some extremely holy Swiss cheese. I think I should have gotten a discount on this package because I think I got half the cheese. But anyways, your breakfast sandwich is done, ready to devour in, again, minutes. Easy enough that a kid could make, and my kid does make them. Am I allowed to eat this now? Sweet. The eggs are fluffy. Like, you would never guess that they were made in the microwave. All of them. Okay. It's omelet time. It's officially omelet time. And have you been trying to figure out how to make an omelet in the microwave? With a plate! You basically do the exact same thing, but with a plate. So, let's mix up our egg just like we did for the egg sandwich, and we're going to cook it on a plate. It's magical. First, let's spray the plate with nonstick spray. Nonstick spray really is our friend here. We'll just crack our egg into this cup here, season it, scramble it up a little bit before pouring it into our plate. Into our plate? Onto our plate. All right, salt, little pepper, and whisk. Let's pour this onto the plate. We're going to carefully take our plate full of scrambled eggs here and put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and we'll check it. And if the center needs to be cooked a little bit longer, we'll do another 30 seconds. Do you like my fuzzy socks? As soon as this comes out of the microwave and everything is all cooked through and nicely, nothing is shiny or glossy, we're going to immediately add in some bacon, of course, and some shredded cheese, and we'll fold it over and just let the heat from the eggs melt that cheese, heat up that bacon. Just let it sit for like 2 minutes. This is at the 1 minute mark, and you can see the middle here isn't quite done yet, so I'm going to toss it back in for another 30 seconds. Our egg here is all cooked and nicely done. We're going to immediately add in our cheese to half of the egg. Crumble up a little bit of bacon in here. You can definitely add in veggies like the peppers or onions if you want. They will be crunchy though. I kind of like them that way though. And then fold this over. Let the residual heat from the eggs melt that cheese. You can also toss it back in the microwave if you prefer. And it's done. I'm just gonna let it sit here. Let it warm up that bacon. Melt that cheese. And then we will dig in. Again, you'd never be able to tell that that was made in the microwave. That's so good. My little girls love omelets, and I'd much rather make it this way than like have to deal with the stovetop, dirty pan, sitting there. This is faster and tastes just as good. Just make them in the microwave. There you have 3 simple and delicious ways to make eggs using your microwave. Which one are you going to use first?